and welcome to Login Helps. In today's tutorial video, I will be showing you how you can log in to 163 or NetEase. NetEase is a Chinese internet technology company providing online services centered on content, community, communications, and commerce. NetEase develops and operates online PC and mobile games, advertising services, email services, and e-commerce platforms in China. To log into 163 or netease.com, go to your web browser first and on the search bar, type www.163.com and enter. You'll reach the official web page as soon as you do that, and there will be a pop-up from where you can translate the page to English or to your preferred language by pressing the translate button. Now here, click on the login button, enter the username on the first row and your password on the second. And after that, press the green button to log in and you will be logged into 163.com. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If it helped you, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more upcoming updates. I'll see you again. Till then, goodbye.